Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Liza from Creative Image and I'm an influencer for PSC. Today I want to share with you a gem that I found. It's a beauty skin routine that is bound to give you results. It's very easy, you don't need a skin degree to actually use this product, and it's not different day and night creams and a certain type of thing you need to use at 3 a.m. and 6 p.m. and da 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 da. It's very easy and I'm going to show you today. So firstly, we're going to start off with the Radiant Image Complete Control Deep Cleansing Vitamin C Face Wash. What it says on here, the main ingredient is vitamin C. So vitamin C is brightening, deep cleansing, it has an antioxidant agent, it is brightening, so you won't look as dull. And with Shiloh's products, everything is versatile, so this can also be used as a makeup remover. Talking about removing, it also states that it's a freckle remover, so these fine freckles that you see on my face right now, this will improve with this wash. It's going to replenish my skin, it's going to smoothen out the skin and minimize my pores. So let's do this. You use a little bit and wash my face all over. And I'm going in with a cloth. Going in circular motions. There you go. You can see it removed everything. Even if I thought I didn't have anything left on my skin, it removed that as well. I'm going to take another face towel and just dab my skin dry. Face wash comes in a 50 milliliter tube, so that actually will last you quite a while. So there we go. I can already feel my skin is refreshed, that lacquer clean feeling. Just love it. Now our next step in this super easy skin routine is our Radiant Image Skin Brightening and Anti-Aging Serum. Now it also includes vitamin C, niacinamide and glucosamine, so it oils follicles is much smaller and will get to work much deeper within your skin. I'm going to dab that all over the face, and this will just brighten my skin. It will help with these fine lines and it will just clean out my face, reduce my pores, help with collagen production, and just get rid of all those unnecessary skin problems. Now this was formulated for all skin types, so you don't need specific skin routine for oily skin or dry skin or combination skin. This is all in one and targets your specific skin needs. Now that it's nice inside, I'm gonna move on to our third step. Now our third step is the Radiant Image Complete Control Day and Night Cream. So this is specifically for combination to oily skin, and that's what I am. We also have a ultra hydrating day and night cream, and that is for people that suffers more with a dry, very tight and dry skin. So if that's more your skin type, go for the ultra hydrating day and night cream. But I'm going to go ahead with my Radiant Image Complete Control. I'm going to squeeze a little bit on my hand and dab it on my face, and then just rub it in. Make sure you don't miss the nose and the areas that you actually need some extra special attention to, such as pigmentation, aging, freckles, large pores. So this is just going to smoothen out everything. It also contains the finest granules that acts as an exfoliator whilst you put it on your skin. And that just removes all the dead skin from your face, leaving it fresh, clean, and crisp. And that's it, guys. You can already see I now have a dewy finish. My face is clapping hands, celebrating these products. And I got this in only 3 steps. So these steps I'm going to repeat in the morning and then in the evening before I go to bed. But as an extra, before leaving your house in the morning, or also before you do makeup, we do have the SPF 50 Photoshop Primer. It's cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic. So this will close your pores and you won't get a reaction if you have a sensitive skin. Although, having said that, just read all the ingredients at the back of the box that it comes in. It gives you all the ingredients, so if you're sensitive to something, check there. Make sure before applying it to your whole face. There's also a test that you can do, and you can put it here under your jawline or on the sensitive skin on your forearm. And if it doesn't react, you should be good to go. Now this gives you a matte finish and gives you a matte base to build up your makeup on, and will last you up to 24 hours. So let me just run through the products for you again. So number 1, we have our cleanser, vitamin C. Number 2, we have our anti-aging and brightening serum. And number 3, we have our day and night cream for combination to oily skin. And then as a makeup primer or just the SPF 50, we go and finish off with our Photoshop primer. Now, as I said, Shiloh invented all of these to be very multifunctional. So this you can also actually use on babies, mosquito bites, anything like that. So versatile. So I'll definitely get this in a bigger tube to use in and around the house. I'll do an update video for you guys in a week or 2 weeks time to show you my progress in my skincare. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share this video, and hit the notification bell if you're watching this on YouTube so that you will get notified when my next video comes out. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you guys. Stay tuned for the next makeup video. Love you guys. Mwah.